Hey, welcome to my next drawing video. For this drawing, the supplies that you'll need is a pencil, an eraser, a marker, and then if you'd like to color it with me, I have 3 different colors. You can use a pink, and then a light brown color, and then I was trying to find a dark brown color, but I don't have a dark brown color right now, so I have a dark blue color. And so these are my 3 colors that I'm going to be using. And we're going to start with a heart shape. And if you're using a piece of paper, kind of draw it towards the bottom right side of your paper. And from here, what we're going to do is turn our paper upside down. And now we have this, and we're going to be drawing a little Frenchie dog. And so what we'll do is start by adding a little line going up, and then we'll add a little nose. It can be a triangle or kind of a soft triangle or an oval. And then from there, we're going to add kind of a arc or a U shape going that way. And then we're going to connect this over here. And so you can kind of use light lines. And then if you make a mistake, you can erase it. And then from here, we're going to draw 2 circles on either side. And then inside of the circle, we'll draw the eyes. Like that. And then since we're close to Valentine's Day, I'm going to give my dog a bow. So I'm going to draw kind of a loop on the top, or a kind of a diamond shape, I guess. And then we make kind of a rectangle shape on one side. And then we're making a rectangle shape on one side. And then 2 more like that. And then from there, we're going to start kind of from the side over here. And then we're going to go up and then down into that bow. And then going from this side, going to go up and then down into that bow. And that's our Frenchie's big ears. They almost look like kind of bunny rabbits. And you can add little lines over here if you want. And then from there, let's draw a body for it too. So I'm going to start from here, and we're just drawing kind of lightly. You don't have to push down a lot. And then I'm going to start going from the same thing over here. And I want this to be about the same size as this over here. And so I'm going to draw it just like that. So it's kind of like a bean shape almost over here. And then from there, you already saw kind of a circle. So we're going to draw, this is kind of where the leg's going to be. And then if this is the ground, going to draw a little circle over there, and then they have little nubby tails, so then we'll draw a little nubby tail over here, and then kind of from around here we'll make a curvy line for one leg over here, and then make a curvy line for one way over there. And then if you have your eraser handy, you can erase some of those lines that are in the inside over there. And then I'm going to erase some of these lines from the inside of the paw over there. And so now if you'd like to color or use your marker to do the outlines, you can do the outlines next. And so you can stop the video and trace your outlines. And so I'll start with my bow. And then I'll add my eyes. And then I'll draw the body. And then we'll add a few more details. So I'm going to put this away for just a minute. And let's give it a little open mouth. So if you wanted to have the mouth closed, it could be like this. If you wanted to add an open mouth, what I'm going to do is draw a line right here and then a U from it. And then I'm going to connect just underneath here. And then that's going to be the inside of the mouth. And you could draw the inside of the mouth black, or you could make it red. I'll add a little line over there. And then I'll add little lines for its little toes. And so I'll draw those in too. And then you can take some time and erase all your pencil lines if you'd like. And make sure if you were using a marker that takes a little bit longer to dry, to let your marker dry so that it doesn't smudge all over your drawing. But if it does, it's okay. You can always do another drawing. Oh, I forgot to connect my belly to my leg right there. Okay, and then we're ready to color. So I'm going to start with my pink first. And with our pink, we're going to do the inside of the ear. So right here, and color that in, and same thing for over here. So leaving a little bit on the edge. And for your bow color, you can either do pink, or if you wanted to pick one more extra color for your bow, you can make your bow whatever color you want it to be. And then I'm going to color in his little tongue like that. And then I'm going to take my light brown color and I'm going to draw kind of a little upside down U right here. And then I'm going to connect this one and this one, and we'll color his ears and his head. And you could make this into a heart shape too if you wanted to. And I'm going to leave this part where his nose is, I'm going to leave that uncolored, and we'll color that with the dark color. And you can pause the video while you're coloring. And then we'll also color the bottom of the jaw, or the mouth right there. And then for the body, we're going to draw a line right here, and then color in everything that's on the inside over here. So leave his belly white. Or I guess it could be a her. He or her. Him or her. And then we'll color the leg that's coming from the other side in. Like that. And then you could either leave the muzzle white, or if you have your darker color, you can color this part in with your darker color. Like that. And then if you wanted to add a little bit more details, you could add some eyebrows for your character. You can color the bow whatever color you want. You can make it pink, you could make it stripy, Let's make ours, how about light blue? I have this color right here. How about we make it light blue? There you go. And then with your darker color, if you wanted, you could add a little bit of shadow, just very gently adding a little bit of color over here. And then you could add a little bit right here. And then on the bottom here, and then underneath the face. Just kind of gently, not too hard. And on the top of the ears. And then that just adds a little bit more detail to our creature. And now we're done with our super cute Frenchie dog. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!